Unlocking the meaning of cemetery, a journey through language. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, and it's all about understanding the term cemetery. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video is tailored to help you grasp the meaning and usage of this word in English. So, let's dive in and explore together. Cemetery is a noun, and it refers to a large piece of land that is specially designated for burying the dead. Here, graves or tombs are prepared to lay the deceased to rest. It is a place of remembrance, where family and friends can come to pay their respects and remember their loved ones. The word cemetery actually has a quite interesting origin. It comes from the Greek word koimeterion, which means sleeping place. This reflects the ancient belief that death is a type of eternal sleep. Over time, the word evolved and was adopted into Latin as cemetery, and later, it found its way into the English language. Now, you might be wondering if cemetery is the same as a graveyard. While they are similar, there is a subtle difference. A graveyard is typically associated with a church and is located on the church's grounds. On the other hand, a cemetery is usually larger and not always connected to a church. Let's look at some example sentences to understand how to use cemetery in context. 1. Every year on Memorial Day, people visit the cemetery to honor fallen soldiers. 2. The old cemetery has tombstones dating back to the 18th century. And that brings us to the end of our journey exploring the meaning of cemetery. I hope this video has been enlightening and has helped you understand this term better. Remember, learning a new language is all about taking one step at a time, and you're doing great. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you in the next video, and happy learning!